Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. It comes provided with the device in a box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from here, let's grab the phone and locate the tray, which looks to be located on the upper right side of the device. Once you press on the pin, tray will pop out. And in here we have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you plan to use two different SIM cards, you will just place the SIM on the tray where SD card would go, like so, as you can see. But if you're planning to use both of them, then move the card over and then place the SD card on the other tray, as you can see, like so. And from here, simply insert it back into the device. And as you can see, we have right now the pin for the SIM card. So I'm gonna confirm that one. So SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well, which you can see right over here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.